Most people think cybersecurity is about hackers in hoodies or expensive antivirus software. But the truth is scarier. Most hacks don't start with hackers. They start with small habits you never think about. Today, I'm sharing 8 cybersecurity tips nobody tells you about. Simple things that quietly make the difference between being safe and being the next victim. And stay until the end, because the last tip is the one that usually comes after people get hacked. Your phone is constantly talking, even when you're not. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi send out signals, looking for networks, devices, connections. That's convenient. But it's also an open door. Take an example: you're in a cafe or airport. Your Wi-Fi is on. Your phone automatically connects to a network with a familiar name. But it's fake. That's how attackers intercept data. Turning Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off when you're not using them isn't paranoia. It's basic digital hygiene. And that's just the surface. Because the next tip protects something far more valuable. This is one of the most powerful tips, and almost nobody does it. Most people use one main email for everything: social media, shopping, newsletters, banking. That's dangerous. If that email gets leaked in a data breach, attackers now know your email, your login habits, and where to target you. The solution is to create a secret email address used only for banking, investments, password managers, government services. Never share it. Never use it publicly. If attackers don't know where to knock, they can't break in. If this is already making you rethink your habits, subscribe. More protection tips are coming. Hackers don't guess anymore. They copy. Logos, language, signatures. Everything looks real. Take an example: when you see a message like, "You have an urgent security issue. Click here to verify." You panic, you click. Game over. Real companies don't pressure you with fear. When in doubt, don't click links. Open a new tab. Go to the site manually. That pause alone saves accounts. But what if the danger isn't online? What if it's already inside your phone? Apps ask for access. You tap allow without reading. Camera, microphone, location, contacts. Why does a flashlight app need your microphone? It doesn't. Every permission is a window into your life. Once a month. Check permissions, remove what isn't necessary, delete apps you don't use. Less access equals less risk. Humans are terrible at passwords. We reuse them. We simplify them. We remember patterns. Attackers love that. For example, one website gets breached. Your reused password unlocks everything else. A password manager creates unique passwords, stores them securely, and protects you even if one site fails. It's not laziness. It's strategy. And now, the tip that most people only learn after something goes wrong. Most platforms offer alerts. New login, new device, password change. People ignore them. You get an alert at 3 a.m. Login from another country. That's not annoying. That's a warning. Early detection turns disasters into close calls. Cybersecurity isn't just about prevention. It's about recovery. Ransomware locks your files. You panic. Unless you have backups. Offline or cloud backups mean attackers lose leverage. No leverage equals no power. This is the mindset shift nobody talks about. Not if, when. Data breaches happen to companies, not users. But users pay the price. So you plan for failure. Unique passwords, secret email, alerts, backups. That's real cybersecurity. Cybersecurity isn't fear. It's awareness. Every small habit you change today is a problem you never face tomorrow. If you want the foundations of staying safe, watch this next video about cybersecurity practices that keep you safe from hackers. And subscribe. Because protecting your digital life is protecting your real one. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.